Simple ways to save birds around us. Provide a source of water. Set up a clean water for drinking. Also clean it regularly to avoid the formation of algae. Elevate birds feeders. If you want to provide foods for birds, make sure that the bird feeders are elevated enough to fend off cats. Plants native trees and plants. Give the birds a bit of their native landscape and natural environment. This will further add for their nest building. Build birds' house. Birds' houses are very important in the areas where nesting trees are scarce. Organic gardening. Pesticide or toxic chemicals prove to be harmful to the birds. Avoid chemicals for gardening and grow plants organically. Mark windows. Birds cannot see absolutely transparent glass windows and often crash against them and die. Use frosted windows or decals instead. Reduce your carbon footprints. Global warming increases the number of killing pests and ticks, which kills birds. Avoid plastic products. Many birds mistakes the indigestible plastic we throw away for food and consume the same. Avoid using plastic as much as you can. This will also help the environment. Protect existing habitats. One of the best way to save birds from extinction is by protecting their already extincting natural habitats from logging and deforestation. Limits energy uses. By reducing energy use, a person can help in conserving birds. Enjoy the appreciate nature. The last point on how to save birds from extinction is by enjoying nature. Participating in bird watching and nature walks ensure the consent appreciation towards the species. Hello guys, my name is Maipal Singh and I want your help in this video. So as we all know, it's in summer time, so the extinction of the birds is at the highest peak. So I want all of you to help the birds from extinction and nothing else. And if anyone wants to donate, there are many of the organizations who are helping in helping the birds, so you can donate in that organization.